Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show you how to connect your Garmin Forerunner 55 watch to your iPhone. First, make sure your watch has sufficient battery, ideally at least 50% charged. Next, download the free Garmin Connect app from the App Store onto your iPhone. It's essential to have this application installed before proceeding. Finally, ensure Bluetooth is enabled on your iPhone and keep both devices within a close range, about 1 to 2 meters, for a smooth connection process. Now let's get your Forerunner 55 ready for pairing. On your watch, press and hold the up button, which is typically on the left side, for about 2 seconds until the menu appears. Scroll down using the down button until you find the phone option. Select it and then choose Pair Phone. Your watch will then enter pairing mode, displaying a message like Ready to Pair or a similar prompt, indicating it's actively searching for a device. With your watch in pairing mode, open the Garmin Connect app on your iPhone. From the main screen, tap the More icon, usually 3 horizontal lines or dots, located in the bottom right corner. Then, select Garmin Devices and tap Add Device. The app will begin searching for nearby Garmin devices. When your Forerunner 55 appears in the list, select it. The app will then guide you through a few simple on-screen steps to complete the connection, including entering a passkey if prompted. Once connected, both your Forerunner 55 and the Garmin Connect app should display a connected status. You can confirm this by checking the watch face for a small phone icon or by looking at the device status within the app. Data, like steps or heart rate, should begin synchronizing automatically. If you encounter any issues, try restarting both your iPhone and your Forerunner 55. Also, double-check that the Garmin Connect app has full Bluetooth permissions enabled in your iPhone settings.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.